Hey guys, wanna know how to use or add outlines in BeFunky? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up your BeFunky application. Now once you're there, head towards Graphic Designer, and once there, just simply go on this text icon right here. Now click on Add Text, and there's a bit text given to you. You can customize it however you like. Now, once you're done with it, in order to add outline, on the left side right here, you can see the outline button. Just check this dialog box. Now, you can also change the color accordingly. Let's say I want to wait for now. You can also change the thickness, make it more thinner or thicker according to the slide bar right here. Now, if you don't want this fill in the middle of the text, just simply go to this part right here and then just slide this slide bar to 0. And there you have it. Now, only your outline should be visible. Right? And it's as simple as that. Now you can adjust the text and also the fonts right here. And once you're done with it, just simply click on save and save it on your computer or wherever you like. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.